Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Solana from your Uphold account to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and Solana is one of the fastest growing networks out there. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to handle this transfer yourself. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Uphold account with some Solana in it, and your Tangem wallet set up and accessible. Tangem wallets are hardware-based, so they offer top-notch security, perfect for storing your crypto. Before we start, double-check that you have your Tangem wallet's public address handy, as that's where we'll be sending the Solana. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Open the app or website, enter your credentials, and head to your dashboard. Look for the Assets or Portfolio section and find your Solana holdings. Click on it to view details. Step 2. Initiate the withdrawal. In Uphold, select the Withdraw or Send option next to your Solana balance. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's wallet address. Paste in your Tangem wallet's address here. Double-check this address to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount. Decide how much Solana you want to send. Remember to account for any network fees, which for Solana are usually pretty low. Uphold might show you an estimated fee, so keep an eye on that to ensure you're not sending more than you intend. Step 4. Review and confirm. Take a moment to review all the details, amount, address, and fees. If everything looks good, hit the confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for added security. Once the transaction is processed, which shouldn't take long on the Solana network, check your Tangem wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Solana. A quick tip: always use official apps and keep your software updated to protect against scams. If you run into any issues, Uphold's support or crypto communities can be super helpful. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.